Welcome to this guided meditation brought to you by Meditation Escapes, created specifically to help you with your social media detox. This session is designed to help you disconnect from the digital world, reduce the urge to constantly check for updates, and restore a sense of presence and tranquility in your life. Let's begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Allow your body to settle and your mind to gently focus. Close your eyes and begin to create a distance from the outside world, turning your awareness inward. I invite you to start with a few deep cleansing breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly expand, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing all the air. Feel each breath guiding you into a deeper state of relaxation, bringing your mind to a place of serene focus. Now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows. Imagine a soft, warm, and peaceful light beginning to glow in your mind's eye. Feel this gentle radiance filling your entire head, soothing any mental chatter or digital noise. See this light as a source of pure tranquility, ready to help you reclaim your inner peace. Visualize this calming light flowing down from your mind through your neck and into your shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding. Picture it washing away the constant need for digital connection. As you continue to embrace this peaceful light, let's transition to some affirmations to reinforce your intention to disconnect and be present. Silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations after me. I am in control of my attention and focus. I release the need for constant digital stimulation. I embrace the beauty of the present moment. I am filling my being with peace and stillness. Allow these feelings of presence and control to permeate your entire being for the next 10 seconds. Now, let's set an intention for your time away from social media. Visualize yourself enjoying activities without the distraction of your phone, feeling fully engaged and content. Take a few moments to picture yourself connecting with the world around you, with nature, with loved ones, or with your own thoughts, feeling a deep sense of fulfillment. Embrace the gratitude for your ability to find joy outside the digital space. All right, now very gently and slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, slowly and softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm, presence, and freedom with you throughout your day. Trust in your power to choose where you direct your attention. Take a few moments to fully return to your awareness. Thank you for joining this meditation with me. If this session has been helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to the Meditation Escapes channel. This helps us continue to create content to support your journey to relaxation. May you carry this feeling of peaceful presence with you